Hi, I'm Sherry with Gordon Chevrolet. I'm one of the sales associates here. I'm going to show you how to customize the liftgate in the 2025 Equinox. Alright, so whenever you turn the vehicle on, this is your home screen. From here, you will select Settings. You will scroll to Vehicle. You'll scroll down to Comfort and Convenience. And then this top button, Power Rear Gate Opening, you'll select Custom. Then you will go outside. Okay, so you'll open up the trunk. And it'll open all the way. All you have to do is hold it to wherever you want it. If you want it opening up this much, hold this. The tail lights flicker. You can close it. And then whenever you open it again, it'll go up to the programmed height. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or leave us a comment below. We look forward to seeing you soon.